Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change a TikTok video into a GIF. First we'll open the app, then you're going to click on the arrow pointing to your right that you will normally select for share to share a video, and there you will see when you scroll across save as GIF, and you simply click on that. As you can see, it's converting. And you give it a few seconds to convert depending on the length of the video. And then after it's finished converting, you'll simply go into photos or galleries, and you realize that the video has been changed into a GIF. Simply save it. There it is. You can see there. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.